I'm retired, sorta. But I started mowing yards because I love to work outside. So I had 4 or 5 yards, and the next thing I knew, I had 36 yards. So there's a tremendous amount of weed eating, getting in and out of ditches and not being on level ground, and that was almost impossible with my knee in the condition it was. Dr. Ransone was very easy to work with. Anything I needed to know, he explained it. He talks to you, encourages you. And the thing he told me, he said, I'm gonna do my best to give you the perfect knee, but that's only 50% of the equation. The other 50% is you going home doing what you're supposed to do to get it back to where it needs to be. And I tried my best to do that. Physical therapy at EmergeOrtho, I was able to do everything they asked and actually more.